Are you trying to decide Princess Plus or Princess Premier, especially after the new updates that just started this August? Me too. We went on Sapphire Princess just this last summer on a standard fare. We didn't have the drink package. We didn't have Princess Plus or Princess Premier. But I have to tell you, our son Cody and his fiance Molly, they did. And they just had a grand old time ordering drinks whenever they wanted, using the OceanNow Delivery app on their phone and getting it delivered right to their table. And it's giving me an extreme case of FOMO. And now with all the news of Princess Premier, I don't know, it makes me want to think about getting that too. So in this video, I'm going to explore both packages, Princess Plus, Princess Premier. We're going to talk about the updates to Princess Premier, and then we're going to look to see the math on our sailing, if it would be smart for us, and maybe give you some ideas on how you might figure out, is it right for you? Let's start with the price of the Princess Plus. The Princess Plus is $60 per person US per day. So let's do a little bit of math. I'm a teacher in case you didn't know it. So $60 per person times 7 days, if it's a 7-day cruise, is $420. Now, if you're going with your husband like I am, or your wife, your significant other, you got to double that because both people in the cabin have to have the same package. So 420 times 2 is $840. That adds up quick. Now let's talk about the Princess Premier. The Princess Premier package costs $90 per person per day. It was $80. They increased the price just recently to $90, but they also put some good perks along with that extra $10 per person per day that we'll talk about in this video. So that comes up to $90 per person for 7 days, $630 per person for the cruise. And then if you double that, $1,260. I don't know about you, but my cruises sometimes don't cost that much money. We're going to go line by line to see what each package includes to help you make your decision. So over here, we have crew gratuities. The crew gratuities are included in both Princess Plus and Princess Premier. If you have an inside ocean view or balcony cabin, that's $17 per person per day. Now, if you have a mini suite, it goes up to $18 per person per day. If you have a suite, that goes up to $19 per person per day. You're going to be paying that money no matter what. So boom, right away, you can take that off your $60 or $90 a day because you're going to be paying it anyhow. The next thing on the list that makes a big difference to me, and I'm guessing does to you too, is Wi-Fi. I like to stay connected when I am anywhere. So if you're on the ship and you don't have Wi-Fi, you might feel a little bit out of your comfort zone. Let's take a look at what the packages include. If you get Princess Plus, you get one device, so one device per person. And if you have Princess Premier, 4 devices, which seems like a lot of devices. And it is easy enough to log off on one device and log into another. So if you don't have Princess Plus or Princess Premier, which includes not just Wi-Fi, but the super fast Medallion Max Wi-Fi, if you want to pay for Wi-Fi, you can. It's going to cost you $25 per day, and that isn't the Super Max. That's just your regular Wi-Fi. After crew gratuities and Wi-Fi, I think the next thing that's high on everyone's list is the drink package. The drink package includes water. It includes specialty coffees and teas, fresh squeezed juice from the juice bar, and if you have the Princess Plus package, 15 alcoholic drinks up to $15. Now, if you have the Princess Premier, it includes all those other things, but now you have unlimited alcoholic drinks, and they can be up to $20. So now you can get a $20 glass of wine, you can get more top shelf alcohols for your drinks. So if you like to live it up with what type of wine you're drinking or alcohol you're using, that might be a great perk. Now, if you're drinking more than $15 15 drinks a day, that seems like a lot. But if you think about it, you know, maybe you're going to have 2 specialty coffees in the morning. I don't know. Still, getting to 15 drinks seems like a lot. So that having unlimited, I don't know how much that appeals to people. In addition to the unlimited alcohol drinks with the Premier package, here's the second big difference. The second big difference has to do with unlimited specialty meals. Unlimited specialty meals. So that means when you go to the Crown Grill, or you go to Sabatini's, or you go to the Catch by Rudy, that will be included. You're unlimited. Normally those run around $40 a day. Now, here's the thing that lots of YouTubers are talking about. There's a concern, not just YouTubers, but people on Facebook and other groups. There's a concern that if everybody has access to unlimited specialty dining, will Princess be able to handle it? I'm guessing they crunched all the numbers before they offered this package to think, you know, are we going to be able to handle the capacity if everybody decides on this package or lots of people decide on this package? So we'll see. Only time will tell. We talked about specialty dining, but now let's talk about casual dining, the casual meals. So when you have Princess Plus, you get 2 casual meals. If you have Princess Premier, you get unlimited casual meals. What does that mean? So every ship has either Alfredo's or Gigi's Pizza, which Princess is known to have the best pizza at sea. Many ships have either O'Malley's or Salty Dog Pub. However, you do want to find out. We went on Sapphire Princess this past summer. They had Alfredo's, but they didn't have a Salty Dog Pub and they didn't have an O'Malley's. So if you're thinking, oh, I'm going to use up my casual dinings and I want to have casual dinings, unless you like pizza every day, depending upon the ship you are on, that may not be a perk that works well for you. However, if you want that pizza or you want to eat in Salty Dog or you want to eat at O'Malley's, you can get a 3-course meal for just $15, and they also have an a la carte menu. After your casual dining or your special dining or after lunch, any time of the day, you might want to go and get one of the premium desserts that they have. So with Princess Plus, you get 2 premium desserts. This is where you find them. You find them at the ice cream, whether it's Swirls or whatever ice cream place you have on the ship that you're on, or in the International Cafe, they have cakes. So you get 2 per day with Princess Plus. You get unlimited with Princess Premier. They're very big. They look very rich and delicious, but I don't think I would eat more than 2 in a day. OceanNow Delivery is a very cool perk thanks to Medallion technology. So on the OceanNow, you go on your app on the phone and you can order things like your 100% beef burger, you can get hot dogs, grilled chicken sandwich, and they find you on the ship and they deliver it right to your table, wherever it is. So one night we're in the Explorer's Lounge, which is where they have game shows and trivia, and Cody ordered a hot dog with fries and it was delivered to his table. I thought that was great. The other thing that was really great about it was if you were in a bar or a lounge and you ordered a drink, it came actually faster to you, I think, than waiting for a server to come by. So to me, that is something that's worth having, and it is included in both Princess Plus and Princess Premier. If you don't have Princess Plus or Princess Premier, you can pay $15 a one-time fee for your cruise to activate it. So that, to me, is a bargain. With OceanNow Delivery, they'll find you anywhere on the ship, even if you're in your stateroom. What if you just want to order room service using your phone? You can do that, and with Princess Plus and Princess Premier, it's included. If you don't have Princess Plus and Princess Premier, it's $5 per delivery. However, there's a couple things. You get free complimentary breakfast. So if you leave that door tag out with your order for the morning, that's still complimentary. So you still can get free room service that way. The other thing is, if you have OceanNow Delivery, just don't call in the phone. Use your OceanNow and they'll deliver to your stateroom. So you're not going to pay that $5 because you use your phone with OceanNow and they'll come and find you. Something to know though, when you do order coming to your stateroom, Cody found that that took a long time. So it was quick if you're like in a bar and they're bringing it right from the bar. But if you're in your stateroom, it takes longer. Something else that you might be interested in is fitness classes. If you have Princess Plus, you get 2 fitness classes. With Princess Premier, they're unlimited, which is probably a good idea if you've been eating all those unlimited premium desserts. 3 more perks that are just for Princess Premier. One is a photo package. So with this, you get unlimited downloads and you get up to 3 photos, printed photos up to 8x10. Next, you can get, there's reserved seating. So when you go to one of the production shows, they'll have special seating reserved. So you don't have to get there an hour early to reserve your spot because you have some great seating waiting for you, as long as you get there 5 minutes before the show starts. And then the next thing is they have what's called Princess Perks. Princess Perks? No. Princess Prizes. So every time you go in and out of your cabin, they know you're coming in and out of your cabin because of your medallion. And then you're like automatically put in to win a prize with this Princess Prizes. Let's check the math. How does it add up? What stacks up? Let's check it out. Crew gratuities, $17 per day. Wi-Fi would be $25 per day, and that isn't even for the good stuff. So that's $42 out of your $60 if you're getting Princess Plus. Drinks, for me, I would drink, now don't judge, do not judge, well you could judge, but I'm on vacation. So I would have a beer, a glass of wine at lunch is about $10, a soda in the afternoon, soda, and then a cocktail, another drink, so I have a cocktail, probably 2 glasses of wine with dinner, a cocktail after dinner, a bottle of water after dinner. So with that, it would add up for me, for my drinks, $80 a day. Now Noah, he's more likely to have a soda with lunch, a beer in the afternoon, a beer at dinner, maybe a beer after dinner. So his would be about $35 a day. I do like that OceanNow Delivery. So that would be $15 each per person, or it's per person for the whole cruise. So if you average it out, it's about $2 a day. So for me, a total of $124 per day. For Noah, it'd be $79 per day. So you can see it would actually be worth it for me to get the Princess Premier probably. And for Noah, the Princess Plus. So what about you? Check out your numbers and see how many drinks are you going to drink. Do you want that Wi-Fi? If it is, then maybe one of these packages are right for you. And if you want to know everything that's included in your fare, then you want to watch this video next. Happy sailing!